In today's video, I will walk you through how to create and manage branches in Replit. Replit includes a built-in Git pane for staging, committing, pushing, and pulling changes. For creating, switching, and merging branches, you'll use the Git command line through the built-in shell terminal. Start by opening your Replit workspace. On the right-hand panel, next to the Console tab, click the Shell tab. This is where you'll enter the Git commands for managing branches. If Git hasn't been initialized yet, type git init in the shell. You can also open the Git pane from the Tools menu in the left sidebar to connect your project to GitHub if needed. Once you're in the shell, you can begin working with branches. To create a new branch and switch to it immediately, type git checkout-b feature login and press enter. This creates a branch named feature login and makes it your active branch. Whenever you want to switch back to your main branch, type git checkout main and press enter. If you want to see all the branches in your project and check which one you're currently using, type Git Branch. The active branch will be marked with an asterisk. After switching to your feature branch and making your changes, it's time to commit your work. You can do this using either the visual Git pane or the shell terminal. If you prefer using the terminal, first stage your changes by typing git add and pressing enter. Then create your commit by typing git commit-m add user login logic and press enter. If your project is connected to a remote repository such as GitHub and you're pushing this branch for the first time, type git push-u origin feature login and press enter. This uploads the branch and sets it as the upstream branch. After the initial push, future updates to the same branch can be pushed by clicking the push button in Replit's visual Git pane. When your feature branch is ready to be added back into the main project, switch back to the main branch by typing git checkout main and pressing enter. Next, make sure your local main branch is up to date by typing git pull origin main and pressing enter. Once the latest changes have been pulled, merge your feature branch into the main branch by typing git merge feature login and pressing enter. After the merge is complete, upload the updated main branch to your remote repository by typing git push origin main and pressing enter. Once the branch has been successfully merged into the main codebase, you can remove the local branch to keep your workspace organized. To do that, type git branch-d feature login and press enter. That's all there is to creating, switching, committing, pushing, merging, and cleaning up branches in Replit using the built-in Shell and Git tools. Thank you for watching.